Hey, IG Garage family, is your car struggling with performance, or maybe it's just not accelerating like it used to? If you've scanned your car and found the P0047 code, you're in the right place. Stick around for the next 2 minutes and I'll show you what this code means, where the problem is, and how to fix it. Let's dive in. The P0047 code stands for turbocharger supercharger boost control a circuit low. This means the engine control module, ECM, is detecting an issue with the boost control solenoid. In simpler terms, your turbocharger isn't being managed properly, which can seriously impact engine performance. Now let's talk location because it's critical. The boost control solenoid is usually found near the turbocharger, attached to the engine or on the intake side of the system. For many vehicles, it looks like a small electronic device with vacuum hoses and an electrical connector running to it. Here's what it looks like. If the solenoid isn't working, the turbocharger can't regulate boost pressure effectively, which triggers the P0047 code. What are the symptoms of this issue? Watch for poor acceleration or lack of power, decreased fuel efficiency, and a check engine light with the P0047 code. The common causes? A faulty boost control solenoid, damaged wiring, or even issues with the vacuum lines connected to the solenoid. Start by inspecting the boost control solenoid. Check for loose or damaged wiring and ensure the vacuum lines are secure. If the solenoid is faulty, you'll need to replace it. Once installed, clear the code using a diagnostic scanner and test drive your car to confirm the fix. And that's a wrap on the P0047 code. If this video helped you, smash that like button, subscribe to IG Garage, and don't forget to share it with your car-loving friends. For more helpful videos, check out P0236 to learn about boost pressure sensor issues or P0008 for timing chain-related troubles. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.